Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers. So today we are going to be making another powerful hair remedy for healthy hair growth. So our key ingredients today is avocado. I mean, this is no longer a new thing. We all know that avocado and avocado oil is absolutely good for our hair. Avocado is a good conditioner for our hair. So we are going to be making a DIY avocado hair mask for healthy hair growth. Avocado have vitamin B and E. This helps to protect and strengthen our hair, and it also stimulates hair growth and prevent us from losing our hair. I mean, this is no longer a new thing. Avocado is brilliant for our hair. I'm going to go on and make this hair mask. I'm going to cut my avocado into half and take out the seed of my avocado. I'm going to scoop my avocado inside the blender. And I'm going to add a little bit of milk. You know that milk is also a good source of protein, and our hair needs protein in order to regain its strength. So I am going to add this inside the blender. So after draining my avocado, I am going to add a little bit of honey in the avocado. So guys, I am back from making my avocado hair mask, and I am going to apply this all over my hair. I have went on ahead and washed my hair, so my hair is clean. So make sure you apply this on a very clean washed hair. So I am going to apply this all over my hair. We all know that avocado and avocado oil is absolutely fantastic for your hair in terms of hair growth and giving your hair the fantastic vitamin that your hair needs. Avocado is absolutely fantastic. So let me go on and apply this all over my hair. So after applying this on my hair, I'm going to cover my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I like to leave my deep conditioner more because you get more benefit out of it. But if you're using a heat to heat up your deep conditioner, then you can leave it less. But for me, I don't usually use heat on my deep conditioner. You can use heat, but I don't. So I normally cover my hair with a plastic cap and walk around my house doing stuff. So sometimes I leave it for more than 40 minutes, sometimes I don't. So I'm going to cover my hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'll go to my shower and wash it off with my favorite conditioner. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.